Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving through Portmore, and Portmore, like almost every major town or community in Jamaica, is complaining about the state of the roads. The potholes are getting ridiculous. They are looking more like craters. No, the other day I was driving on Mandela Highway, and when you come out of Portmore and get onto Mandela Highway, they have some massive potholes on Mandela Highway. I couldn't believe it. Mandela Highway is the busiest road in Jamaica, and they have potholes on it. Potholes that look like craters. No, the traffic to get out of Portmore in the mornings is terrible because so many cars use that road. So can you imagine when you have these two craters in the road and you have to stop and crawl through them? How that backs up traffic even more? I'm shocked to know that those potholes have not been fixed yet. I'm going to give you guys a tour of it in the week, but I'm really shocked. So if the busiest road in Jamaica, a main road, can have potholes like that on it, can you imagine the community roads? Now the government has a few programs to fix roads, but I have no idea what's going on with them because I don't see any roads being fixed. I'm asking you guys, do you see any roads being fixed? They have the $40 billion Spark program. They have the $13 billion CapEx program and the $3 billion REACH program. All to fix roads. Parish councils have funds to fix roads. Members of parliament are given allocations to fix roads. And the NAA has funds to fix roads. Yet I don't see any roads being fixed. Guys, let me know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's going on in Portmore. The situation in Portmore regarding the pothole-riddled roads is a serious issue affecting both safety and quality of life. Many residents have expressed their frustration with the government's failure to address these massive road hazards. These craters are not just a nuisance but a real threat, contributing to motor vehicle accidents and worsening traffic conditions in an already congested area. The delays in fixing the roads, despite residents paying their taxes and adhering to civic duties, create a sense of neglect and inequality compared to other parts of the country. The government initiatives like the Spark program and REACH, the Spark, which is supporting prosperity through accelerated road work and knowledge, and REACH, resilient expansion and creation of highways, highlights a broader issue. While these programs are promoted as steps towards national infrastructure improvement, their impact seems limited, especially in areas like Portmore, where the need is urgent. The disconnect between government priorities and local realities is a common frustration among citizens when development projects seem to overlook key communities. Alright guys, so that's the end of the update article on what is happening in Portmore. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below. Let us know what you think. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of the tour. Have a good day.